Welcome to Sasin Insights. My name is Dean Outerson, the Ambassador and Writer-in-Residence here at Sasin School of Management. I'm joined today by two colleagues from the Sasin Management Consulting Unit, our Deputy Director and the Director of SMC, Dr. Chaipong Pongpanich.
Thank you.
And the Project Director of SMC, Dr. Mayookapan Chaimankong, Kunjo.
Yeah.
Dr. Joe.
Thank you.
Welcome to you both. We're here today to talk about your new book, which is Customer Strategy Handbook. Why customer strategy?
No matter what kind of products that you sell to the customer will be the starting point when you develop your strategies or you come up with your business model. What the company got to do is that they got to trying to find the unmet need of the customers and then trying to create some kind of values to serve them. That is the first reason why it's important. And the second reason is that at the time that I start writing this book, it's the same time as the beginning of the COVID. And we can foresee that the customer behavior will change. And then the company got to do something about that. If we have this handbook, so it will be easy for them to revisit their customer strategies, or maybe they want their organization to be more customer focused. The same from COVID, right? COVID has effect on our economies, and people have less money to spend, so the company have to chase for that money. Without the good customer strategies, what happened is that maybe the customer may not interested to buy your product and service anymore.
So adapting to the current context environment is a key part of this book.
Yes.
Just to add to Dr. Joe about our book, at SMC Sasin Management Consulting, we've been working with a lot of clients on the marketing issues, and we thought that we accumulate enough knowledge, and we want to share those discipline and knowledge to the wider society. So the way we wrote the book is not it's not like a textbook, that thick textbook that you have to read a lot, right? But more on the step-by-step guide for practitioners to go through, have a checklist to develop their customer strategy.
So it's much more of a practical book.
Yeah, I would say 70% is from the practical view, and 30% is from the theories.
Tell us a little bit about what readers will learn from the book, or what are the highlights of the book?
This book, we're trying to make a good blend of the theories and what we have done in practice. We're trying to provide the step-by-step contents as well as the analysis templates. So that means the reader can follow the process that we have, and they can fill in the form that we already provide to them, so they can make the whole pictures of the customer strategy for their organization. And we also add the case study. Okay, we have a case study that link the concept from the first chapter to the last chapters, and try to make them to see the linkage of all of the contents and the analysis template that we provide. We're trying to add the latest tools that people use in this field to make the customer strategy more effective. For example, in this handbook, I give example of using the AI and marketing automations as a use case to do the one-on-one marketings, to do the one-on-one offerings and communication to the customers.
So we want to make life for practitioners easier by having this how-to guide handbook. So it's very step-by-step guide. You refer to the chapters, and then at the back of the books there's a template, and that step-by-step guide would help you go through the formulation process of the customer strategy.